Hey, what's up? So today we got our Parrot Padcaster and we're gonna hook it up to our Sony ZV-1 using this adapter to make. Let's get started. All right, so we're gonna get started by unboxing our Padcaster. Warranty card, instructions, nice secure packaging. Let's see, what do we have here? Okay. All right, so I opened up the instructions and pretty straightforward. What we want to do is grab one of these rings here and attach it to this bracket here. It's going to be the 52 millimeter, and don't worry, I'll be putting a link to all these in the description below. But here's a 52 millimeter adapter. We want to hook that up over here. All right. And this is a neat little adapter here because it'll go on the tripod where the ZV-1 sits, and it'll adjust to either side. So if you, like I do, I have a rig on the bottom of my ZV-1 to allow the battery case to stay open. So this is pretty convenient. All right, so we've got that. And now this we would attach to the Padcaster. Okay, so now I've positioned myself behind my desk. I am removing the ZV-1 from the clamp, the tripod stand that I have behind the desk. Removing all the cables that are hooked up to my ZV-1, and then I'll start unscrewing the ZV-1 from its mount. Now that I have the ZV-1 on this bracket, I am going to turn the lens on so I can position the step-up ring so it fits. The lens will fit right through the step-up ring hole. All right, I am now going to attach the bracket to the tripod. Size up the camera on the bracket. Make sure that that lens, when it opens, goes smoothly into the opening of the step-up ring. And then I slip the Padcaster onto the step-up ring. So here's what the teleprompter looks when it's all up and running. As you can see, the font size is nice. It bounces off the mirror really easily with a cell phone. So this is sufficient enough to be able to read off of it and get enough real estate off of that screen. The teleprompter is up and running. We've got the text flowing by on the script on the actual teleprompter, and you can't see any vignetting around the edges. It looks pretty good. I can't see any impact on the overall image quality, so this works incredibly well. That bracket is a solution to all this stuff. It holds the ZV-1 and the teleprompter in place without putting that extra weight on your lens. So it's a great little solution. The text is large enough for me to read it right now without any problems. All right, well, we're all done here. We've got our teleprompter all set up on the ZV-1. Nicely glides in and out of that step-up ring. So that's where we attach the actual, the teleprompter to, is that step-up ring, and that base, that separate piece that we have that I'll put in the link in the descriptions down below, does a great job at holding the whole thing together so you're not putting all that weight on your ZV-1 lens. It's just sliding right in and out of that step-up ring. So it's a great solution, gives you a small teleprompter. You can attach a cell phone to it and be able to read off your script. I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This has been Vince with Invincible Tech.